Well, hello again. It's Friday, August 27th. Yay, Friday. That means we get the weekend. So we have one lesson today. It is lesson 10 on page 19 and 20. Let's go over these instructions. The front page is a lot that we've already done. We've been doing this. This is review. Number one, write these numbers in the place value houses. You have your ones place, your tens place, your hundreds place. So you're going to spread it out and you're going to write, what would you write in the ones place for the first one? 127 is the number. What would you write in the ones place? 7. And what about the tens place? What would we write there? 2 for 20. And the last one, a hundreds place. What would you write for the hundreds place? A 1 for 100. That's right. So you're going to do that. For each one of those numbers, you have 2 different columns of that. Then part 2, it says draw check marks to show the 7 family combinations. Write the sums. So 1 plus 6, you're going to put a check mark in the green square, in the green rectangle for 1. And then in the next, the blue one, you're going to do 6. Okay, little check marks. Make them neat. Make sure that they fit in that box. Then you have a story problem. Part 3, Samantha and Olivia made cupcakes. Samantha made 3 and Olivia made 4. How many did both girls make all together? That's that clue word, all together. Part 4, count by ones on both of those. Turn it back to the back on page 20. Write the number that is between those 2 numbers, 47 and 49. What's between that? Okay. Part 2, circle the number that is greatest. And then you have another direction. Underline the number that is the least, which means the smallest. Part 3 is fun. You get to use this map down below. And as you can see, if you look down at the bottom, they have different things labeled, like Skippy's house. I think that's a little dog's house. Eddie's house. He has a red roof. The park. Okay. Ross's house. That's a blue roof. And then a pond. And here they have lines in between different things, like from Eddie's house to the park. And they've measured the distance with kilometers. We can measure with different things. We could measure with feet, we could measure with miles, but here they did kilometers. And the abbreviation for a kilometer is km. So they might ask you some questions like, from Eddie's house to the pond, how many kilometers would that be? Look at the measurement. From Eddie's house, maybe put your finger on Eddie's house. And then put your finger on the pond. Do you see the black line that goes from one thing to the other? How many kilometers? 3, right. So you would shade in underneath the part that says 3 km. That stands for kilometer. You have 2 more questions, okay? You get to look at the map, look at how they measure, and answer those 2 questions. That is it for today, okay? I hope you have a great weekend. And we will start back up on Monday, and we'll see you then.